What up, UKISS fanboy and Line Time?
Hello.
And this will be your first card opening, and this is part 1. So yeah, let's start. It's pink, if you didn't see, because we're fabulous, like that.
Oh yeah.
First off, we got the promo. It's Goshak Liberator Sidhu. I think it's pronounced like that. I don't know. I'm not French. Yeah. And there is 15 packs here, and I'll be opening 8, so I just get them up. 3. It's a 5.
No, it's 2. You take 2 up.
But it's 5 and no.
Okay.
6, 7, and 8. Okay. And the first pack. Don't care. Don't care about the package. I don't care. I'll just get it. First up. A little Catch the Enemy on the official YouTube channel. Don't care. Don't want. Ooh. Battle Sister Tardy. Omniscience Madonna. Physic Bird. Battle Sister Ginger. And Scarlet Witch Coco. Nice pack, nice pack. Second pack. Don't want, don't care. And first up we got Lockbird. Battle Sister Soufflé. I don't know. Lucinga Magus. Battle Sister Tiramisu.
No danke.
Circle Magus. Nice. Nice. Don't get them on. Perfect. Let's see what we get. Don't get them on. Oracle Guardian Red Eye. Oracle Guardian Gemini. Physic Bird again. Battle Sister Awesome. Meteor Break Wizard. Nice. Little stupid. Don't get on one. Oracle Guardian Red Eye. Science Madonna. Oracle Guardian Gemini. Battle Sister Chai. And Meteor Break Wizard again. Don't care, don't want. First off, the Oracle Guardian Apollon. One who gazes at the truth. Battle Sister Tiramisu. Battle Sister Ginger. And Battle Sister Fromage. Don't care, don't want. Don't care, don't want. With Haze of Inaba. Battle Sister Vanilla. Battle Sister Soufflé. Physic Bird. Battle Sister Macron. Drones are delicious, and you should eat them all the time. Don't care, don't want. Battle Sister Tarde. Battle Maiden Takeshumi. Dark Cat. Dream Eater. Circle Magnus. Don't care, don't want. Oracle Guardian Apollon. Oracle Guardian Gemini. One who gazes at the truth. Battle Sister Ginger. And Battle Sister Omelette. And yeah, that's it for the first part of the video. The next part, Lime Time will do.